Shalom, what's going on, fellas? What's going on, fellas? About to have some fun tonight. What's up, fellas? Start at 8:05. Man, it's gonna be fun tonight. One in the room. What's up, one? Oh man, we're gonna have some fun tonight. 8:05. We starting. Boom, 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 boom. 4 in the room. What's going on, folks? What's up? What's up, peoples? Two in the room. Starting at 8:05. 3 in the room. Three in the room. Shalom, drawing swords. Hey, man, it's going to be good, man. You going to laugh. Oh. This is going to be great. Boom, 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 boom. Drawing swords in the house. A real ass Hebrew Israelite in the house. We got JC in the house representing. You know what I mean? JC stands for just cause I'm gonna whoop your ass if you fuck with me. Drawing swords stands for you gonna draw them swords and cut your nipples off, bitch. And he gonna circumcise you down there, all that pussy lips. We finna have some fun tonight, man. Shit, I got some shit. Shit. All praises to the Most High, man. Almighty Creator, all that. Whatever you want to call who is in power of everything. Okay. We got 2 more minutes before we start, fellas. Shit, I'm okay. We only had 3 niggas in here. Everybody else, they gonna see it. Let me go and give y'all a little preview of this stuff. A little preview. You know what I'm talking about? Give y'all a little preview, baby. You know we gotta hit it with a beta mail. Peace, brother Bowman in the house. We gonna start it with shit upright. We got a beta mail on the frame tonight. Yeah. We got a beta mail on the frame tonight. Look at that. Look at this beta mail. Oh, it's finna get good, fellas. It's finna get good. We got 6 in here. 8:05. Y'all finna be pissed off too at the same time, but 8:05 is going down. Now look at him. Do he look like he'll turn a woman on? He was here to take over alpha males, take your money. Right? Who else coming in the room? Shalom, bro. What's going on? Oh, it's 8:05. Hey, we reserve all our rights and waive none. All right. This is a business. It's sham stoppers. Man, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna get into it. Now, you see this beta mail on here, right? You see what it says, right? Let me blow it up a little bit. All right. Randy Burton defended his position. I stand by everything that I said about the problems with family court system. I think the lawsuit is merely one more attempt to silence the critics of our family court system. I think that the suit will provide an excellent opportunity to tell the truth about what's going on in family courts. This nigga backed up some women, man. Burton added in the article he wrote for the Houston Chronicle that the women on trial cases were not isolated examples, as was claimed by former Harris County family law judge Alvin L. Zimmerman. The real truth is that it is unfortunate that the HBO special was confined to an hour, Burton wrote. Had there been additional time, perhaps the true enormity of horrors occurring daily in the family court system in Harris County could have been told. Burton 92. He backing up these women. I'm finna show y'all something. You ready for this? Hold up. Wait a minute. Y'all finna get pissed. Y'all finna get pissed in a minute. Hold up. Y'all see this? Huh? You see this? These are the women that I learned about in paralegal school about family law. This was in Houston, Texas. I'm going to show y'all what judges, female judges, have said about family law. You see that? Look at these women. Meet them. These women took down judges who were awarding fathers their children. I'm going to show you some shit about this pots and pans law, aka family law. It's pots and pans. That's what this law is called. Family law is called pots and pans law. Don't forget it. I'm going to show you what the judge said about it. Look at this shit. Hold on, let me zoom it up a little bit. Y'all reading that? Huh? In H-Town. Yeah. Check this out. Hold on, let me keep going. Told you we're gonna have some fun tonight. This is for all the stupid niggas on YouTube who want to sit out, who want to talk about they want to fight the agency, right? This is what they need to do if they serious. If they serious about beating up the agency, you gotta be like this woman right here. She sat out there for 1 year and 62 days of protest. Right? Right? I think this is one of the women. It was one of these women that died for getting off these rich ass judges in H-Town. She got ran over by a car. But you know what? You can thank her for sacrificing her life, giving men hell. No, all three trainees. Y'all can thank these women, man. We've been trying to tell y'all from the get-go. We've been trying to tell you fellas from the get-go. Hold on. I'm finna put up some more shit. We're not done. Hold up. You see that? Yeah, I like that. A woman who don't have custody is not a woman in control. But look at this shit though, bro. Look at this. I've been to this courthouse. It ain't even the courthouse. It's not even the courthouse. It's a family law center where they hold the courts and the meeting and shit. How long it's gonna get better? I'm just showing y'all some little pictures before we start reading this book. I'm finna break some shit down to y'all. Okay? Ain't nobody else putting this shit on YouTube. Ain't nobody else. Nobody. Everybody want to beat up on the agency, but won't go down to the root of the source. Is the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. We've been telling you that for what? Since we got on here. Look at them. They protesting. Right? They protested. And I'm going to tell you something they did to them judges. They got in them judges' bank accounts and started reporting them to the FBI. But somebody paid the price for that, fucking with their money. Right? Hold up. It's going to get better, fellas. It's going to get better as we go. Look at this shit. Now, these bitches was crying extortion, right? How do you sell extortion? At Lightem, right? Ain't they doing your children that way right now? Huh? Look what it says about At Lightem, what that shit means. Let me zoom it up a little bit. See that? Look what it says right here. Literally, Ad litem is a Latin term that means for litigation. It is used to donate someone, usually an attorney, who represents parties who are not able to represent their own interests, such as children. Ad litem fees, which are paid by litigants, can involve large sums of money. The amounts are determined by the parties and the ad litem appointees, which the judge's approval, and can amount to many thousands of dollars. Look at that. These women stood their ass out there and did it. And for the fellas who want to talk about it's the agency, go out there and protest. Go stand your ass outside. Oh shit, are y'all ready? Here we go. Y'all see that? Y'all see at the top up here? Judge Mary Shine O'Reilly, one of the contributors to the report of the Gender Bias Task Force of Texas. Look that shit up too, fellas. This is what she says. This is out of her fucking mouth. Listen what she says. There's a kind of schizophrenia about family law. It's not real law. It's divorce, it's kids, it's pots and pans. It's not real. is just family. It's not a big civil litigation. It's not building bridges or breaking contracts or shooting people up at the dime store. It doesn't deal with power or big bucks or high visibility or making the Fortune 500. How can pots and pans possibly be as significant as doing a big business deal or a real estate deal or defending O.J. Simpson? How could it possibly be so important? It deals with family issues which are women issues. Look, which are women issues, fellas. This is not, you don't even supposed to be going to fucking court. But these hoes set the shit up. They want to play the court game. This shit is pots and pans, man. Family law is pots and pans. Oh, man. That shit's embarrassing, fellas. Let me keep reading for you. Let me keep reading. Right? I have come to believe that there is yet another reason that family law has low status. Let me zoom it up a little bit. Hold on. God damn it. Wait a minute. Hold up, fellas. Okay. Exactly, Rome G. They don't want families. I have come to believe that is another yet reason why family law has low status in legal hierarchy. It is not only because the family law deals with women's issues, but because it is an area in the law that is female dominated and thus devalued. It's female dominated and devalued. Family law practice shares the stigma with some other professions, such as elementary school teaching and nursing and being a woman's work. In fact, until the 1970s, family law was the one area in which women were encouraged to practice, right? The commonly held view was that women were suited to dealing with domestic crises. Hysterical women, right? Emotional situations, intimacy, and of course, children. And the perception has not been totally extinguished even now. The converse was also believed to be true, that women were not suited to other areas of law. It is said women can't be shining lights at the bar because they're too kind. In criminal law, women can't handle discussions of sex. What's up? Women are not good corporation lawyers because they're not cold and ruthless. Women lack a high grade of intellect. Women in firms will alienate clients, and finally, women are poor employment risk. Look at this shit. They lack ability, dedication, and emotional stability. They feel an obligation to home and family by their own admissions. However, it is in record women have shown themselves to be quite capable of so-called macho ethnic in the courtroom. Yep, they talk shit in the courtroom. Time you go home, time they jump in that car, reality hits the fucking scene. When fantasies and realities collide, okay? Women lose because they live in a fantasy world, fantasy island, the stories in daytime, eating bonbons and watching stories during the daytime, right? Let me keep reading. With sports and war metaphors, but many women become unhappy with the role of gladiator. Look at that. Look at that. Why did you butcher that man? I was married to that man for many years. Why did you leave him bleeding on the floor? I thought there's got to be another way to do this. Florence, too, regrets that early in her career, she went for the jugular. You see what I'm talking about? Hold on, man. I got some more. Wait a minute. Hold up. We're going to read it. We're going to talk about judgments as a curse, too. Wait a minute. Hold up, fellas. Okay, check this out. Y'all ready? We're going to share this one. You ready for this? You see this shit? Let me zoom it in a little bit. Family law, which falls under the umbrella category of civil law, covers a wide range of areas as well as a large and constantly increasing volume of cases that may involve divorce, annulment, property distribution. You already know right here, fellas. See that? Look at this. In conversations with Florence, other family attorneys and judges, I heard repeatedly how applying the rules and procedures of family law to domestic disputes in a strictly abstract, non-contextual, impartial, and objective way, which is consistent with the ethic of justice, creates a particularly bad mismatch. You see this shit? Huh? Family law is a fucking joke, and we've been trying to tell you that from the longest. You know what I'm talking about? Look at that shit. Look, domestic disputes or highly emotional situations that tend to be unique and idiosyncratic, right? Still, the system traditionally operates by attempting to apply law mechanically and objectively. The problem, Florence says, it is resulting decisions may be technically correct and morally wrong. You see this shit? Technically correct and morally wrong. It may ultimately intensify already stressed relationships that usually must continue long after the case that has been concluded. If a family law were also informed by an ethic of care, that is by placing a higher value on a relationship, that the family court system would function very differently. Look at that. Look what this say. Other related issues is that family law is a part of civil law, right? Family law is civil, fellas, right? Itself is adversarial system. In certain circumstances, Florida coincides the law has to be adversarial because you have two people at the opposite ends of the truth. Come on, fellas. Come on. And family law, however, rather than resolving conflicts, adversarial nature of civil law often exacerbates, I can't say it, it's like masturbates or something, tensions. Florence believes that. Look at that. Look at this shit. Let me go to another one, fellas. Let me go to another one. Man, this is the shit, fellas. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me go to the beginning. Here we go. Screen share. All right, check this shit out. Y'all see this shit? Huh? Look at this. The FBI called the fellas, Special Agent Kathy Loader, however you say this trick name. You need to get this book, fellas. It's called The Woman of Court Watch. The Women of Court Watch. They ran these judges off. That's why it's changed and you getting hell because it's going these bitches' way because they rule it. Women run family law. Don't forget it. We've been telling you that since day one. It's emotional. Women can't lose. They hate to lose. You know what I'm talking about? Women hate to lose in court. They hate to lose, period. I got some more shit. Check this out. Y'all see this? Relying on the rules that govern civil procedure on what is known as black letter law. Look at that. Let y'all feast y'all eyes on that shit. I'm going to let you feast your eyes on that shit. Black letter law. What's up? Look at that. Rules of evidence, for example, don't make sense in family court. Look at that, man. This book is from a lawyer, my nigga. Family, look, these women worship these women right here. These women are their goddesses. We the only channel that says it's the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. What's up? Y'all read that shit? Now check this out. When a woman loses, her only defense is to tell a false story to say that you raping and you fucking your children. Right? And the reason why a woman says that, because when you get a new girlfriend, she's not going to want her child to call that woman mom. Real talk. This shit is all emotional. And if you are emotional, if you're an emotional male, you're going to lose. Look at that, man. It's a black sister right now. She on YouTube. She got red hair. She in Houston. She trying to fight this shit, and she not attacking these hoes. She ain't gonna win because she ain't attacking these hoes, and she ain't got no money. So she just wasting her fucking time. Real talk. You tell her I said it too. I don't give a fuck. I'm exempt for child support. I am exempt. And if a lot of y'all had sense, y'all exempt too. That's crazy, ain't it, fellas? Huh? Hold on, let me drop some more game for y'all. Let me drop some more game for y'all. Wait a minute. I'm finna put up some more shit. Y'all want to see this? Huh? Look at this, man. You see that? I'm just going down the line. And I'm finna break some shit down. Look what this say right here, fellas. Girls don't seem to demonstrate the same high level of moral development, and especially interesting turns of events, since women have historically been depicted as morally superior to men. Gilligan reasoned with whoever this nigga name is, third described male moral development and proposed an alternative model through which to assess female moral development based upon a different set of hierarchy of values. You see this shit? For example, boys tend to adhere closely to rules when they play games. Gilligan found that girls, on the other hand, tend to bend the rules if feelings might be hurt. There we go. Feelings, if her feelings get hurt, she gonna get mad and do all type of bullshit. Right? This is coming from a lawyer, nigga, a female lawyer, nigga. She was 40 years old when she graduated from law school. Her pussy was beat out the frame. Or friendships might be threatened by applying them. Likewise, boys tend to adhere more closely to the notion of abstract criteria of the right or wrong, making moral and ethical judgments. Girls' judgments are often more relative to the contextual, taking into account how decisions might affect another person. Boys tend to develop ethic in which justice is the higher value, while girls develop an ethic care of, Gilligan says, which relationships are a high value. Look at that. What's up? Now let's get to the Bible. We finna get to the Bible on these hoes. Hold up. We're gonna talk about curses. Turn your Bibles to the book of Numbers, the 5th chapter. Okay? Y'all ready for this? It's for all my Hebrew Israelites, because y'all supposed to be doing this shit. Then the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, speak to the children of Israel, when a man or woman commits any sin that the man commit in unfaithfulness against the Lord, and that the person is guilty, then he shall confess the sin which he has committed. He shall make restitution, not prostitution, but restitution for his trespass in full, plus 1/5 of it, and give it to the one who has wrong. But if the man has no relative to whom restitution may be made for the wrong, the restitution for the wrong must go to the Lord, for the priest. Who is the priest? The judge in the courtroom. In addition to the ram of the atonement, with which the atonement is made for him, every offering of all the holy things of the children of Israel which they bring to the priest shall be his. Okay, when you go to court, right? What they say, bring your check stubs, right? Your W-2s, right? Peace to the 10 that's in here listening. You will be successful. And every man's holy thing shall be his. Whenever any man gives the priest, he shall be his, right? Hold on, I left. I'm on chapter 4. I'm on verse 14. If the spirit of jealousy come upon him and becomes jealous of his wife who has defiled herself, or if the spirit of jealousy comes upon him and becomes jealous of his wife, although she has not defiled herself, then the man shall bring his wife to the priest. He shall bring the offering required for her 1/10 of, I can't say this word, of barley meal. He shall pour no oil on it and put no frankincense on it, because it is a grain offering of jealousy, right? An offering for remembering, for bringing iniquity to remembrance, right? Hold on, let me zoom it up a little bit more. But go to this part, fellas. Go to the Bible where it says that. Okay? You see that? Let me go to the other one. Where they get, I'm gonna show you how they get you in court. How they get a lot of niggas in court. I'm gonna show you how they get a lot of niggas in court. Hold on. You see this up here? But if you have gone astray while under your husband's authority, and if you have defiled yourself and some other man other than your husband has lain with you. So if she out here fucking, if you got a notion she out here fucking, this is what you're supposed to do. Then the priest shall put the woman under the oath of the curse. What happens when you go into family court? They want you to swear in, right? Swear an oath and curse yourself, right? How many people you know went in that courtroom, aka business meeting, said an oath, and then they put your ass on child support, which is a curse, right? And he shall say to the woman, the Lord make you a curse and an oath among your people when the Lord makes your thigh rot off and your belly swell. And this water that causes the curse go into your stomach and make your belly swell and your thigh rot. Then the woman shall say, amen, so be it. Then the priest shall write these curses in a book. Black Law's Dictionary, what's up? All these law dictionaries, what's up? And when the judge signs these orders, or a judge orders, he writes his name in cursive. So when he hit that gavel and sign that order, you just been cursed, player. What's up? And he shall make the woman drink the bitter water that brings a curse, and the water that brings a curse shall enter into her and become bitter. What's up, man? This some good teaching tonight, ain't it? Huh? We got some more shit. What's up? When he has made her drink the water, then it shall be, if she has defiled herself and behaved unfaithfully toward her husband, that the water that brings the curse will enter to her and become bitter, and her belly will swell, and thigh rot off, and the woman will become a curse among her people. What's up? But if the woman has not defiled herself and is clean, then she shall be free and may conceive children. This is the law of jealousy, when a wife will, under her husband's authority, goes astray and defiles herself, like when a bitch go to the motherfucking agency down there and put your name on that shit, and you need to curse her and go find you something else and not go get no job and go find you a hustle so they can't fuck with you and make her starve over there and make her pay that shit back, because you got to make her curse herself because she defied your authority and she's trading your kids as collateral because she's acting as a goddamn secure party creditor. If this ain't a good message for you guys tonight, I don't know what will. Because you had these pussy niggas out here jealous too. I showed you the beta male on here that was backing these hoes up. What's up? A judgment is a curse from a judge. He done put judgment on you. No, you ain't supposed to swear. No, sir. You ain't supposed to go in that courtroom and swear on nothing. That's how you say these crazy words. Look up a word you can't say. This is the Hague Convention. Go look this shit up. If they find out that you traveling, if somebody snitch on you, you telling your business, they gonna find you. That's like if the foreigners come over here, they can still get hit for child support. This is what this Hague Convention is talking about. Peace to all the brothers that came in here late. You're going to have to start over because we gave you a lot of game. We gave out a lot of game. We gave a book out. Go get this book by this female lawyer, how they took down and started fucking your lives over, how they camped out, right? They camped out. One of them died, got hit by a truck walking in the middle of the night. I don't know which one of the broads, but one of my instructors told me, because that's what I learned in family law. She was talking about these women. So if you sitting up here fighting the agency, keep smoking that crack that you smoking, because crack is a hell of a drug. Stay off that crack, stay off the drugs, okay? Please stay off them drugs. Stop following crackheads on YouTube. The shit is ran by women, okay? Make no mistake about it. Like I say, we're going to come back with some more shit. I don't know how long we've been on here, but I got to go do some shit. We got to do some shit for some people, okay? Peace to everybody that's in here. Been 45 minutes. Thank you for the thumbs down, because we're going to keep pissing you off. You can't piss me off, but we're going to keep pissing you off for the thumbs down. The homosexual who put that down. And, we're going to keep it going. Peace, love, blessings. We out.